Understanding gift card deals. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in English, gift card deals. Whether you're shopping online or in stores, this phrase can pop up quite often, especially during the holiday season or sales events. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. A gift card is a prepaid stored value money card, usually issued by a retailer or bank, used as an alternative to cash for purchases within a particular store or related businesses. Gift cards are often given as gifts and can be used to encourage customer loyalty. Now, let's understand the word deals. In the context of shopping, a deal refers to an agreement where the buyer gets something of value at a favorable price. Deals often imply a special offer, discount, or arrangement that makes the purchase more attractive. So, when we combine these two terms, gift card deals usually refer to special offers or promotions related to gift cards. This could mean buying a gift card at a lower price than its actual value, receiving a bonus or extra value when purchasing a gift card, special promotions where buying certain products comes with a free gift card. Let's look at some examples to understand better. A store offers a $50 gift card for only $45. This is a gift card deal because you're getting more value than what you're paying for. Buy a product and get a $10 gift card free. Here, the gift card is an added incentive to make a purchase. I hope this video has made the concept of gift card deals clearer for you. It's a phrase that's very useful in the world of shopping and can lead to some great savings. Remember, always read the terms and conditions of such deals to make the most out of them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.